2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 4, and 5. We got arrays of 4 in parallel. All the way up to parallel, runs in 5 volt DC. Took the bottom end of the cap off. You see my wiring on the inside. How I have it up all in parallel. I'm not sure the maximum voltage this can operate at, but 5 volts, a very nice, beautiful, subtle colored, warm white. They come out very yellow on video for some reason until you get closer. Very nice. Making jewelry out of junk, basically. This is a free lamp with all salvage parts, salvage wire. Only a minor investment would be some shrink tubing, some solder, and about 5 or 6 hours worth of laborious work, but turned out pretty cool, I must admit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe for more and leave a like, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos very soon.